Jesus freak here. I just got upstairs and picking up a package. It took way longer than it should have to come because so many things just went wrong trying to order it. I'm not going to get into that. I'm just going to open this. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for my fur ball to come up from down in the landing because she made her way past me while I was trying to close the upstairs door. Not concerned because there's still a door at the bottom of the stairs. She'll be back. This was custom made. Cost a penny. Cost a thin mint or two. Comes from WASD keyboards. Those of you who are not gamers, WASD on a typical keyboard it's easier for a lot of people who they got used to using their left hand to move around in games, and they put 4 keys in the same layout as the arrow keys on the right, and you get WASD. Anyway, here's the manual. Detachable cable. Detachable cable. That actually improves the odds on this thing, because the cable's the first thing to go most of the time on my keyboards. All right. And she's back. A nice classic layout. A little small, but pretty classic layout. Oh, yeah. She does that. Cherry MX key switches I'm not familiar with, but they got that sound that reminds me of older keyboards. It's not quite like an F or an M, but I like this feel. I like the sound. I wonder where those dip switches are for. Now, where's the... There's where the cable goes. Right down the middle. All right, then. A Velcro cable tie. It's something you don't see every day. All right, the USB-C end of this goes into the keyboard. At least I think it's USB-C. Stuff the cable down this slot. Probably well, it's in. The cable don't want to go in. Not that it's a big deal if it doesn't. It might just be thick in the end. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Doesn't have to go in anyway. Ooh. It's in, but it's out. Bink. There we go. All right. Now, find the other end of the cable here. This El Cheapo has a much thinner cable. And we're out. This cable's built. And we're in. Setting up a device. We're setting up USB keyboard. Yeah, it works. Oh, yeah. It doesn't trigger a light. But the caps lock indicator is this light blue. Device is ready. Maybe one of the dip switches controls the ScrLk indicator. I'll have to check that out. Takes a bit getting used to. The sides are a little sharper than I'm used to. Not in a dangerous way, but you know, it's not the same shape. It's got some heft. It's definitely not your average, ordinary $20 keyboard. Now, if you're wondering about the design, why I picked that specific look, you want to look up Space Cadet keyboard, because this is the same color palette as the Space Cadet keyboard. It's just, you know, normal 104 layout. I have to get used to the shape, the feel of the keyboard, but I'm digging it. Jesus freak out.